Welcome to Berlin, and I'm staying at one of the best conveniently located hostel here in the entire city. It's the EastSeven Hostel. It's about 100 meters away from the subway line, and this subway line actually takes you directly to the buses that serve the Tegel airport. And it's surrounded by lots of great amenities and also famous tourist attractions that you can actually walk by foot. And my favorite is the fact that it's super convenient as it is surrounded by many restaurants and many pubs. One of the great things about this hostel is the internet is really fast, but I'm sure you are interested in finding out what kind of amenities and rooms they offer. So with that being said, let's go and take a look. Now, one of the great things about this hostel is its staff. They are not here to sell you paid tours, but really they are here to give you the best advice possible, where to go, how to get around, the hidden spots, and also help you store your luggage free of charge if you need to check in early later, and do whatever it takes to make your stay as comfortable as it can be. So this is actually a very social hostel. As you can see, they have many tours, walking tours. If the weather doesn't cooperate, you can always come here, pick up a game, and meet some new friends and play with them. Or if you like reading, you can catch up on your readings here. And of course, you can beat this, free money, and also give and take little boxes here. Alright, so this is my favorite area of the hostel. Is the place you can meet some really cool friends here, have a nice drink with them, just in case you forgot your tablets and all these fancy gadgets, no problem. For those of you who want to cook your home away from home meal, they also have a full kitchen and with an exhaust, also everything you need such as pots and pans, and guess what? All the spices you can think of, oils, everything. So for those of you who wonder what kind of room I stay in, come in, be my guest. So this is a very typical private room. As you can see, you get a really clean linens along with a very comfortable bed. And for me, it's really important there's a window in every single room because I like to get fresh morning sun as well as fresh breath of air while I need it. Of course, reading lamp. And another great thing is how spacious this is. When you're ready to get ready and dress up for the pub crawl, you can make sure you look great with a nice window, nice mirror. But we are all interested to see how clean the shared toilets and shower is. So let's go and take a look. Let's start with a nice big sink. As you can see, this is all really clean. And how clean is the shower. And not to mention, one thing about this shower is this hot water 24 hours a day. And as well as a very clean bathroom. Always clean, always fully stocked. So there's many type of private rooms available, and this is one of them. You get 2 single bed. Every single bed has a reading lamp as well as a plug-in. And considering this is hard Berlin, the size of this room, you just can't beat it. So for those of you who's budget conscious, this is a room that you can stay in. It's a 1 bed. Now, this hostel is busy. That's why they just start cleaning up right now. So what you get is a really clean bed. Every bed has an outlet and a reading lamp. And of course, you get individually assigned lockers. Of course, we can't forget about breakfast here, and it only costs €3. You get milk, unlimited tea and coffee, the cereals, sausages, and of course, natural sugar, the fruits. With that being said, this is where I stay for the duration of my filming here in Germany, and I hope you come check out this hostel and write your own reviews. Have an amazing time.